All right, guys, today we're going to talk about slope. Another way of talking of slope is your rise over run. We're finding slope of a line, the tilt of a line. So if you're looking at a picture on a graph, what you want to do is you make a slope triangle. So you pick 2 points on your line. You want 2 lattice points. Lattice points are ones like this. See how it intersects right over your grid mark. So there's one, here's another one up here. It doesn't matter which 2 points you pick as long as they're lattice points. To make your slope triangle, you connect your points to the right triangle. So in this one, I'd have to go up 2, to the right 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. So then my slope, rise, how much did you go up and down? You went up 2, so it's a positive 2. Run, you went right 4, positive 4. Reduce our fraction, 1/4 is 2/2. Okay, another example down here. Again, 2 lattice points. Here's one, and let's see, here's another one all the way down here. So our rise, in this case our rise, we're gonna go down, so we're gonna go down 1, 2, 3, 4. Since we went down 4, our rise is -4. And then our run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So again, our slope, rise of -4, run of 6, reduce our fraction. If you need to use your calculator to help, -4, divide by 6, math, enter, enter, -2 thirds. You have the next graphs on your worksheet. Pick out your 2 lattice points, practice these 2, pause the video, practice, and then we'll check the answers. Okay, you finish them on your own. 2 lattice points, here's one, here's one. If you pick different points than me, it's fine, you should get the same answer. Our rise, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Since it's down, it's -6 over 1, 2. So our slope, -6 over 2, which reduces to -3. Checking our next one, here's the lattice point. I'm gonna pick another one really close because there's one right there. Rise 1, run 1, 2. So our slope is 1 over 2. That can't reduce, so we have an answer of 1/2. Another way you can find slope is if you use the slope formula. And we have our slope formula right here. Okay, slope is rise over run. The variable for slope is m. This is your slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Write this formula in the formula section of your note sheet. We're going to keep using it. Okay, next, when you're finding slope, 4 basic steps to find slope. First step, every ordered pair is made up of an x and a y. Okay, an ordered pair are 2 numbers, x and y. So you want to label your first point x1, y1, label the second point x2, y2. Substitute the numbers into the formula, subtract across your numerator and denominator, and reduce your fraction. Pause your video, add the steps to find slope in the steps to find slope column on your worksheet. Let's practice a few. Example 1. Find the slope of the line through the points 1, -2, and 5, 0. So, following our steps, label our points. x1, y1, x2, y2. Got my 2. Okay, so our slope formula was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I just want to fill in my numbers. y2 I have labeled as 0, so m equals 0. Take away y1 is -2, so 0 take away -2 over x2 is 5 minus x1 was 1. Then I just subtract. 0 take away -2 is 2. 5 take away 1 is 4. I check if I can reduce my fraction. I can. My slope is 1/2. Here's another example. Okay, oh, we lost our word slope here. There we go. Find the slope of the line through 0, 8 and -2, 6. Again, label your points. It seems silly, but it really helps so you don't forget which one's which when you're using the formula. So again, Slope formula, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Since I already have my points labeled, I can just quick look back. Y2 was 6, take away y1 is 8, over x2 is negative 2, take away x1 is 0. Subtract across, 6 minus 8 is negative 2. Negative 2 take away 0 is also negative 2. Reduce my fraction, I have a slope of 1. Pause your video after I put up the next examples. Practice examples 3 and 4 on your note sheet. Find the slope of the line through 1, negative 6, and 4, 12, and then find the slope of the line through 5, 9, and 8, negative 15. Practice on your own with a video paused. Okay, now you practiced them. Now you want to check your answers. For example number 3, labeled our points, substituted our numbers into our formula. We got 18 over 3, which reduced to 6. Example 4, labeled our points, substituted into our formula, got negative 24 over 3, which reduced to negative 8. You can pause the video so you can check your work with my work. Make sure you got the right answers. Okay, we're going to practice some more later.